Ever wondered how to plan a marathon routes with mile markers, amenities, and nearby facilities in one interactive map? Start by going to story.mapog.com and click Create New Story. Give project a title and short description. In Add Story, select Manually. In Settings, select Feature Type. Add more locations. Create a location type called Marathon Miles and give an icon. Add these attributes: name type, attribute type. Select in Options Add Start Point, Mile Marker, Finish Point. Select Required. Distance from starting point. Attribute type as text. Expected start time. Attribute type as text. Name medal and refreshment. Attribute type as select, available. Required is ticked. Mile. Attribute type text. And save it. Now, select the location type we create, then create your points with a title, short description, images, and all attributes. Locate it using latitude and longitude from the toolbox manually on the map, confirm, and save. Repeat for each mile marker and the finish point. Measure distance for nearby amenities, then, for each point, click the edit icon, add nearby point to map: water stations, medical tents, or restrooms. Style them with unique colors and icons. To connect the course, go to Edit icon, Location Connection. Choose Road Line, add an icon, and connect Mile 1 through the finish line. Next, customize icons, colors, and labels for clarity using point customization. Add additional titles where needed to make checkpoints easy to identify. Once your map is ready, click Publish and Share to get a live link or embed code. Share it with participants and volunteers. Ready to map your idea? Need help? Go to support@mapog.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas.